Arthur again, and today we have a 2023 BMW M3 F80 sedan. This car has 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and watching some of my other videos. I have a lot of videos on different interesting cars and repairs. That would really help out my channel grow. And now let's look at the car. So this car is here to install a new strut brace and as well a battery terminal cover, a carbon fiber battery terminal cover. It's a fairly new car, it doesn't have that many miles. The owner did do some modifications on it. I'm gonna take you guys around and show it. It's a very beautiful car. Let's check it out. Okay, let's take a quick look at this car. It is a 2023 model with 13,000 miles. It is a sedan. It does have some beautiful BBS wheels on it. 20-inch. This car's stock come with 19s in the front and 20s in the back, but this one now has updated to 20s all around, and I think it fits perfectly. It does have some K&W coilovers on it. It is a great looking car, and as the license plate states, it is 6-speed manual. This is the way I would want one of these cars as well. Rear-wheel drive and manual. I don't think I would want to go with all-wheel drive or automatic. I know it would be probably, realistically, it will be faster, but I think the manual is much more fun. It does have some nice Michelin tires on it. Pilot Sport 4S's. They're very beefy. I like that they're not stretched. The rear is a little bit stretched, but it is still a 295 tire, and it looks really nice. It does have a carbon fiber roof, no sunroof on this one. It does have the optional headlights with the blue inserts. It does have this special green color. I don't know exactly the name of this color, but it does look nice. It does have a lot of aftermarket carbon fiber bits on it, and it does stand out definitely in a good way. It's a great looking car. Let's take a look at the interior. As you can see, it does have the manual, it does have a short shifter on it installed, no sunroof. It does have a leather dash. It's a great looking car. I have driven it and it is very quick. It drives very nice. Has a nice power. Alright, now let's see what is it that is getting installed. Alright, this one is the full line Motorsports Strut brace. I have not finished installing it yet. This car has a lot of carbon fiber covers and such on, and the cover that goes here, the carbon fiber, wouldn't clear the brace, so I'm going to trim it a little bit, then I'll put it on and it should work. But it was working with a stock one, but with this one being a little bit wider and sits lower, it doesn't clear the carbon fiber trim. And this is the Autotecknic ECU cover, carbon fiber, that owner purchased. I installed that. Everything is fairly easy to install, just a few bolts you undo and everything comes off. The main problem was the not clearing the carbon fiber trim over here, but should be taking care of that, and I'll show you once it's installed. This car does have some other trim pieces installed, covers and stuff, and it's like a dress-up kit for the engine, and it does look very nice. Overall, I think this design actually is kind of starting to look good on me. Initially, you know, nobody liked it, the grille, but now it is looking better, I think. That's what usually BMW does. They come up with a design and you're like, wow, this looks ugly. And then a few years in, suddenly it starts growing on you and starts looking better. That's what usually happens with their models. Alright, now let's see. These are the old pieces that came on the car, and compared to the F80 generation M3, M4, those had this really beautiful bar, like a U-shaped bar that went around the engine bay, carbon fiber, lightweight. It looked really nice. And I don't know why on this new generation BMW just decided to do this piece of metal, and it might be functional, might be working, but it definitely doesn't look good. It looks very cheap and very average, and this cover is just a typical cover. I think it's fine, but carbon fiber definitely looks better, and the strut brace definitely looks way better as well. Alright, here's the trim installed. What was happening is with this trim, this was hitting it and it wouldn't line up, so I cut around here the carbon fiber, and now it fits perfectly. Didn't really want to miss out on this piece because it's such a beautiful piece and it works all good together, that it wouldn't make sense to remove it just because of the strut brace. So it is worth cutting it off. Hopefully you enjoyed looking at this M3 as much as I did. I really liked it. It's a beautiful car, and I did enjoy the few small modifications we had to do to it today. And if you liked the video, please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come.